Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com. I am getting back to you. I just finished a workout, so please excuse my appearance. But I wanted to get back to you with the contents of the February 2019 Cricut Mystery Box because I did tell you that I would show it to you when I got it, and it actually just came in the mail, so the shipping was a little long on this one. So I'm going to show you what was inside, all the goodies. So we're going to start with this premium vinyl sampler, a pattern, which is a lot of fun. It's in a kind of springtime floral patterns. There is the one that you see with the pink and the green foliage, and then there's a pink design on white and a white design on pink. And they're all pretty for spring projects, and it's actually my first rolls of patterned vinyl, so I'm gonna have to come up with some good ideas on how to use that. There is also a Meadow sampler, of foil iron-on, and that is 4 sheets of 12 by 12 foil, and also in very springtime colors: silver, purple, pink, and green. There is a Meadow sampler of premium removable vinyl in matte, and that has 6 12 by 12 sheets, and in all those fun spring colors. And then this is kind of a nice premium vinyl, removable vinyl, and this is it's the all occasion sampler, and it has 12 12 by 12 sheets, so that's a good number of vinyl sheets, and they're in kind of basic colors: the black, white, matte gold, and matte silver. So those are kind of good all-purpose rolls of vinyl. Then there was a fabric sampler in this box, which is fun. This is the apricot and persimmon sampler, and it has some, pretty fabrics to do projects on your Cricut Maker. There are also a extra fine point pen set. So that is a 0.3 point on these pens, and I do not have any of these, so this is kind of a nice addition to my collection for the Cricut. And I kind of really was looking forward to this. This is a glitter cardstock Brights sampler, and I've seen this in the store, and I love the red sparkle. So now I've got some things for the holidays or Valentine's Day or just for fun. And then there was a bonus in this box of a Cricut mat, and I got for the machine, and I got a light grip mat, and this was not included in the overall value of the package, so it was kind of a little bonus. So there you have it. That is the February 2019 Cricut Mystery Box. Thanks for joining me. It's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com. If you would just take a minute and hit the subscribe button in the lower left-hand corner, I would so appreciate it. And if you haven't checked out the January Mystery Box, I do have a video for that, which I'll link up here as well. So again, thank you for joining me. It's Nina at almostpractical.com.